In this question, we're given a grid that represents the height of a plant after a certain number of weeks. The vertical axis is the height in centimeters, and the horizontal axis is the number of weeks. And we have to determine which of these tables represents this relationship. All right, let's go to our grid and look at the very first point right there. After 1 week, the plant has grown half a centimeter. We know that because each of the lines along the vertical axis here represent a half a centimeter. So half a centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and so on. Okay, so let's look at our tables. Start with A. After 1 week, the height is showing to be 2. Well, we know it should be a half. Therefore, option A would not represent the grid. Let's look at option C. After 1 week, it's showing the height to be 1 centimeter. Well, we know that it should be a half. Therefore, C is incorrect. Let's look at B and D now. They start off after 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and look at our grid to find that point after 2 weeks. We can see that the height of the plant should be 1 centimeter after 2 weeks. Well, in both cases, B and D show that to be the case. Now let's look at 3 weeks. We can see if we move up from 3 weeks, the height of the plant will be 2 centimeters. Again, in B and D, both cases, that does represent the grid. Let's go to the next point, 4 weeks. We go up and we can see after 4 weeks the height of the plant would be 3.5 centimeters. Well, option D is the only one that shows a value for 4 weeks, and it's showing it to be 4 centimeters, which is incorrect. It should be 3.5. Therefore, this isn't incorrect, and D, therefore, is not the right answer. So the only one we have left is B, but let's verify that this is indeed correct. It's showing a value after 5 weeks. Well, let's go to 5 weeks all the way up and see how high the plant should be. It should be 6 centimeters tall. And indeed, that is the value shown in the table. Therefore, B is the right answer.